never know.
Nope.
Just don't let me ever catch you doing that. Especially right now. Maybe when you're 40, you can do it.
And I can tell my kids not to do it.
Exactly. That's the good thing about being dad. You get to tell kids what to do. Say, don't do that. Hands. Now I can't get it off. Thanks. Here's the problem. Boy, I'm gonna be mad after this house because I see pine needles already. That's a blessing right there. Thank you for the leg. This thing's supposed to pop right out. It's doing great, ain't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to find a pry tool. See if I can take a little bit of silver paint off of this thing. I'll tell you one thing, by the time I get done with this, and I'll be able to tear a motor down and put it back together. Let's see what we can tear up. I'll stab you. Looks like I got bleach on your shirt, but I bet that's tie-dye.
No, that would be paint.
What'd you paint red?
Me and Destiny was painting rocks one time, and we painted them.
Well, I hope I don't bust the windshield.
Hope not.
There's one of the clips just fell out, so I'd say that one's not going to hold anymore. But one of them's holding.
Oh, pop right off.
Anybody want to bet whether or not this windshield just falls out?
It'd probably fall.
Taking wagers?
Yeah. You'd be lucky if that piece of chrome don't break. It looks like it. Yep, already did. I knew it.
That was a clip.
Oh, that was a clip? Oh.
I may have to go buy some more clips
Oh, it busted.
before we even start. We'll have to go eat a burrito before we start.
Yeah.
Holy smoke. Jaden, this car's been in the carport forever. There ain't no rust in this.
More than one piece of ice.
I don't care. I was expecting this, Jaden, to be rusted out. Look at it. Oh! We're going to have to re-vacuum.
Look at the pine needles.
That's what, look down there in the car.
You don't want to scrape them in there.
Well, honey, you want me to open it up and drop it on the dash?
Yeah. Be able to vacuum it out easy. Just got the windshield out.
Somebody roll the window up. Shut that door. I said somebody roll the window up, Jaden. That's Butch's tea. Wow.
What other tea did you want?
Well, I thought we had some of ours in there. I was not prepared for the Jolt Cola. It's supposed to just pop straight out, but it is not wanting to do that. Yeah. It's not wanting to cooperate. Jaden, I'm trying not to scratch your paint, baby. Or crack your windshield.
Just rip it off.
Maybe the other side. No, when you pull, it'll bend that. We need that. That's nice and pretty. I got too much asthma. You doing that? Stop! I'm gonna stab the film director. He done got on my dadgum nerves anyway. Smart aleck. He getting smart aleck. Destiny, hurry up and move him out. Sick his mouth. You got the biggest mouth in the South.
You're the only ones talking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's real manly. Yeah. Oh, I broke it. Oh, there went another clip. Try to save all them that fall out. We're going there. And there went another clip. No, it is caulked in up here, so I'll have to cut that with a knife or a guitar string. Guitar string. Come on, Pudwiker. You know fur. It should just pop. It's supposed to pop off. That's what it's supposed to do. I guess it's got too much rust in it. Right there's the clip. Pop off, butthead. There's probably a tool for this, and a screwdriver ain't it. Aha!
There it went.
One. Aha! Two.
Don't scratch the windshield, man. Gosh.
easy way. I just can't believe that. The only thing you got going for the car so far that I did right was it ain't rusted out. That's about it. Because I've screwed up the motor, killed the transmission.
Yep.
It tastes good too. I already couldn't breathe and now I'm doing this. Well, I don't know what that was. Plastic piece bit broke it. And the back one does the same thing.
It's pretty bad.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
So it just ain't sealed on the bottom part?
Yeah, I was hoping the thing would fall out. I really was hoping it would just fall right out. But at least it's not rusted. Obviously not. I'm gonna run my knife on what edge I can and see. I ought to sent the cowboy to get it. Thinks he's dang Smokey and the Bandit with a Camaro. Do what?
Get you a little more.
I'm gonna cut you. Get out the way. Oh, one of them stayed in. What do you know? These shatter, so you might want to.
I got the video rolling.
It's not like windshield today. They'll bust. This one will go, psh, and there's gonna be glass all in the car. We're probably gonna have to vacuum out. It'd go down there and come loose. I believe it just come loose. I never knowed that doing vinyl siding would come in so handy when working on a car. Go with my sheet metal brake. We're gonna make a hood scoop next.
You've done it before.
It didn't look good, right? I used it.
No. Well, you done it.
That's probably why it didn't look good.
Boy thinks it's funny. He ain't got no money to fix this car, and he ain't got no knowledge, so he better shut up. I think we just found out where the knocking comes from.
That was a terrible
It's the devil. Somebody's knocking. Should I let him in? Lord, it's the devil. Would you look at him? I read about him, but I never dreamed you'd find him in a mean machine. That ain't the way the song goes. It's a pair of blue jeans. Y'all been quarantined too long. That ain't doing nothing, is it? I'm scared to even touch it because this thing is brittle. It's brittle. I wouldn't feel as bad if I had that big spatula I got that I'm too lazy to go find.
Spatula.
I don't know if I'm choking. Melt, please melt.
It's only got one piece of ice in it.
Oh, that tea's old.
It was
Y'all
made
get any of
yesterday.
Did y'all get any of it, Jade?
Yeah.
It indubitably is old. I smell it. It's got smell. I smell that tea. The tea taste. It's got a wang to it. That's my Jim Carrey face. Did you see that? Probably have to finish with the guitar. Somebody have to get inside, and somebody else get outside. All right. Caleb, you have to quit filming because he'll never find the guitar wire. I need a thick one.
Alright, I got one.
If I could get the blade to turn, it would cut right out. Oh, God. Hit my head. I thought I was already through that. I didn't think I was going to cut that. Get it. Get it. Get it. Today ain't Thursday, is it?
It's Tuesday.
Okay.
One eternity later.
Why did it stop? I don't know.
Where the hole in my brand new glove?
I'm gonna keep cutting the knife. Cause that ain't, it ain't, we pulled it back and forth 40 times, didn't go nowhere. There it went. Oh, wait. I need some slack. Okay. How do I get up here? Damn, somebody get me a ladder.
Car just dropped about 5 inches.
Bust the back windshield. All right.
Ready.
Oh, God. Woo! Me about to go fall that boom. Pull! I didn't want you to do your side. Oh, okay. It's throwing glass everywhere. That's the reason I didn't want to do that.
You want me to pry it?
I don't know that the screwdriver is the best thing to do after what just happened to Jaden. Let me cut inside again, see if I can do some more. It's still cracking, I hear it. Oh God. You won't have a mirror in a minute. Oh God. We didn't get no mirror to put on it. I believe if I had a hammer to type this, Caleb, like I do at work, I could do it.
Yeah, are you saying you need a hammer?
That's what I was saying. Whatever. If you want to stand there, that works too. College on Friday. He was sitting there looking at the toe box, the red toe box. Can you see the blade again now?
It's raising up.
Oh God, my arm's tired. Might have to rest a minute. Your seats are sweating now, boy. They gonna stink. Now the mirror's in the way again. Is it moving, Dana? Yeah. Okay. A little bit more.
Punch it.
No, I just got a little bit more right here. No. Okay, put it. I'll use a hammer on your toes.
No.
Ladders. Let's see if we can get it out. Somebody's got to get that side, Caleb. You have to switch cameras because you got gloves.
This side's out right here.
Well, what's open? You? No. There's something got it right here. Hold on. Hold on. It's right here.
15 minutes.
You're going to have to make that look easy. Go back. Well,
There's some good stuff.
it could shatter more, so straight up.
I'm
Turn
trying.
it
There's a
up.
door in my way.
No, turn it up. There you go. It's got more strength that way. So right over here somewhere, we'll prop it up. Watch the other windshield not be the right one. Oh, I feel better. Not.
Now we can just put on helmets and go down the road.
Yes, sir. As soon as we get all the glass
Let her
out.
crawl in here. Wing, that looks real good.
That's what's it. I'm throwing glass in the driveway.
We don't pollute people. We really don't. Glass is natural.
Just trying to get the windshield up.
Daddy, the windshield's already out.
You like Joe Biden?
I got hairy legs. So does Hillary. Oh crap, they can use that against us. I forgot. Hit me for hate crimes.
Freedom of speech.
Trump's president.
Hillary does have hairy legs. I didn't lie. Ask Bill.